Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw cash from our new ITM. It's pretty similar to the ATM, but there are a few unique features. So I'm going to go ahead and touch the screen to begin. I'm going to insert in my Park City debit card. I'm going to go ahead and enter my PIN. I don't need to see my balances today. I'm going to go ahead and hit Get Cash to withdraw. I'm going to withdraw from my savings. So here's where I can enter in the amount. The fun thing about this machine is that it does dispense various bills. It does ones, fives, 20s, and hundreds. So you're able to get many different amounts. So if I needed $32 for something specifically, I could go ahead and click that and then hit Choose My Bills. So I'm going to do a 20, 2 fives, and then I have $2 left, so I'll do 2 singles. You can go ahead and hit continue. It's asking you to confirm that you're going to withdraw from your savings. And then it goes ahead and I have my cash here. I don't need a receipt today. I don't need to complete another transaction. I can go ahead and take my card and I have my specific amount of cash and I'm good to go.